So with this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a product for sale so that you can use the order form. And if you ever notice it says dynamically updated, that is how it is done, is through setting up a product. So if you notice over here, we don't have any product tabs or anything like that because we don't have an order form. In order for that to populate, we have to have an order form for a product tab to come up so that we can set up products. It's got to know that we're getting ready to sell something. So if we go sales and we go to order form, and then we select this template, for example, and these can be customized to anything. You can make this a whole sales page and then have your order at the bottom or whatever, or click a button for the order product to come up. So you see here it says dynamically updated, and to get that I'm going to show you how you make that happen. So now you've got an order page, we've named it offer. Now we've got a products page or tab, so we're going to come over here and add a product, and we're going to call this product test. And you need to have Stripe integrated in order to click on this Stripe. Now it'll be there if you don't have it integrated, but you won't be able to click on it as a payment option. So we'll go in and we'll call this $1 USD, and we'll say test. And then this is asking, should this be the bump? I'm going to show you how to do a bump here shortly. This is a one-time product, and we're going to call it test. We're going to create the product. Oh, we've got price at test. I don't know why I got that. That should say $1 there. That's the order form price. Okay, now we're going to come back over here and we'll preview this page again. And look, we've got a test product at $1, dynamically updated. Now if you have multiple products, it's going to list all of those multiple products in there. In order to select multiple products, you need to have Clickfunnels Pro Tools, and I'll put a link to that down in the description.